Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in this video, I will be sharing with you guys my quick morning cleaning routine as well as we'll go to Trader Joe for some grocery shopping. Now the weather is changing. I will start taking care of my plants. So this one is my indoor plant. I will be removing any dead leaves, water it, clean the leaves. And I was actually gonna replant this, but then we have to do that for some other day because actually the weather was changing. It was gonna rain, and I actually need to go to this grocery shop. I usually don't go to that one because, first of all, it is a far away from where I live. Second thing, they have some unique grocery. So, for everyday basic grocery, I don't need to drive all the way there. But today, actually, I promised my kids because they need few things. So, I told them that definitely I will get that for them. So before the weather start changing, I'm gonna hurry up, clean this first floor, and then we'll go to the Trader Joe. So while I take care of the other things, I'm gonna turn on this vacuum so it can start cleaning the floor so I can get the other things done. This vacuum, guys, seriously, it is true blessing to me. It makes cleaning go so fast and it is so convenient, right? Because all I need to do is turn it on, and while it cleans the floor, I can get the other things done. So you can save time that way. And I have done detailed video about this. So if you're interested, I'm going to link it down below in the description box, as well as I do have the discount code for that. So don't forget to check out the info box. But seriously, guys, if you live here in a state where we don't get the extra help, you need to invest in this kind of robot vacuum because it is such a lifesaver. So this vacuum comes with a remote, so you can set the time, you can set the zone, and when it needs to be recharged, it goes back to the dock, recharged by itself. And I use this on all three of my floors. So whichever floor needs to be clean, I just go put it over there. And basically, it's like someone else is doing job for you. And as you can see, it doesn't have no problem going from carpet to hardwood floor because all my bedroom has a carpet, but then hallway is the hardwood floor, and the laundry as well as the bathrooms has a tile. So it doesn't have no problem going from one kind of flooring to the other flooring. The only thing with this is, yes, it takes some time because when we do it, obviously we are much faster than this. But hey, if machine wants to do the work, I don't mind at all. If it's gonna take some longer time to clean the floor, I'm okay with it. And to clean all other things, I'm using this Shark vacuum. Now, I bought this last year around Thanksgiving time. When I first bought it, I wasn't sure about it, but now I love it. I would highly, highly recommend this, especially to clean the blinds as well as the baseboard because you guys know it is so hard to clean the baseboard. But with this attachment, it is so easy. And the main reason actually I bought this vacuum is because of the stair. It was so hard for me to clean the stair before because I had the regular vacuum. Now to take that big vacuum up there, clean each and every stair, it was so hard. But with this, and especially the attachment that it has, you can clean the stairs basically in no time. So again, I'm gonna link that video down below in the description box where I bought it first time and I wasn't sure about it. But definitely, guys. And again, if you have some of the furniture that you need to clean on regular basis, because my sofa is a light color and that also collect the dust so much. So once a week at least I clean that sofa, and I do have actually the cleaning lady comes to my house and clean the entire house. But this is my at least weekly cleaning, because of course I can't go without cleaning the house for a month. So this is what I do at least once a week. If not, sometime it takes me more than a one time. Um, but definitely this vacuum and the robot vacuum, I would highly, highly recommend. So I use this also attachment on my sofa too, because when the cleaning lady comes, sofa is the one thing that I don't let her touch because she bring her own vacuum. But then obviously she has used that vacuum in some other people's house, and on this sofa we sit, right? So I don't want that vacuum to clean my sofa. So I always tell her when she comes that don't worry about cleaning sofa, I'll take care of that. So both of this vacuum, I'm gonna link it down below in the description box. And Shark vacuum, I bought it from Target, but obviously Amazon has everything. And this one attachment, I also clean my drawer. So this is my kitchen drawer. As you can see, that also get messy too. So once a week when I'm cleaning all the other things, I open each and every drawer just to make sure if it needs to be cleaned, then I use this attachment to clean it. So if you are someone who's looking for that extra help to clean the house, definitely I would say get this vacuum, because with just one vacuum with all this different attachment, you can get so many things done. So now the vacuum is done, I'm gonna take care of the mopping. Now ever since we had this hardwood floor, I've been using Bona. That is also recommended by the manufacturer, as well as I have not used anything other than Bona on my floor. Whenever the cleaning lady comes, I also give her all my cleaning supplies. I don't let her use any of her stuff. Now vacuum and the broom and all that stuff is different. That she can use it. But to clean the floor as well as the kitchen, cabinets, everything, I give her all my supplies to her. Now manufacturer recommend that we should do mopping once a month, because if you do frequent mopping, then you can, chances are that you can lose the shine. But what I do is, especially this is the high traffic area, right? We all hang out on this floor a lot, especially the kitchen. So I do mopping once every 2 weeks. Sometimes the kitchen I might have to clean it like once a week. So it's all depend, but I try to not to mop that much. Of course, vacuum you have to do it because it collect all the dust. So vacuum you can do it as needed, but especially the mopping, try to do it once a month. So now the house is clean, we'll go to Trader Joe. And the one thing about the Trader Joe that I really like is that it gives that old-fashioned grocery store vibes, because every time I come here, because this store, it's smaller than usual, all the grocery store nowadays. And also all the aisles are so narrow, especially the way they have organized everything, the way they label everything. It gives that old-fashioned vibe. So I like this store. Like I say, I wish this one is somewhere closer by, but they also have so many different varieties of Indian food. The one new thing that I saw over there is this pumpkin samosa. I was like, that is so interesting, but of course, we are not fan of pumpkin, so I didn't buy that one. But there's everything but the bagel. It's their most popular item. So if you have a Trader Joe somewhere close by, I would highly recommend that at least just go one time, especially if you're non-vegetarian. They have so many different varieties. Because few of my friends are non-vegetarian and they say that their food is so tasty. Now, obviously, I'm vegetarian, so I bought the things that we can enjoy. But they have so like unique things. These are the things that I don't see it at the Wegmans or any other grocery store. So we'll go home and I'll share with you the things that I bought. I would say, other than Wegmans, Trader Joe and Whole Food Market is one of my most favorite stores. The only thing is, both of the stores are far away from where I live, so I don't get to come here that often. But whenever I come, my list is always ready because they have such a different varieties. And even in a grocery, you need different varieties, right? I mean, you get tired of getting same thing over and over. And we all are so foodie. That is the one thing that we all four of us enjoy so much. So for food, I can actually drive anywhere to get different things. And when I came here, actually, I was kind of rushing because I had to go back and pick up the kids. And because of them, actually, I came here because they were actually bugging me from so long because they needed few things from the store. So I was like, I had to go there today. Otherwise, by the time they come home from school, that is the first thing they're going to ask me whether I went to the Trader Joe or not. But now let me show you the things that I bought it. So the first thing first, yes, I bought this tortilla chips. Now, as you can see, it was just like so tempting. It has a different color. The shape of the chips were also the leaf. So why not? And when I was checking out, I saw this hot cocoa spoon. So basically, all you need is the like hot milk, and you can just put that spoon in there, and it's basically hot chocolate. It has the marshmallow, it has the chocolate, also has the dark chocolate too. So it was only $1. I bought two just to try to see how it is. Also bought this ice cream. Again, guys, I would highly, highly, highly recommend this ice cream. They are so itty bitty, so cute. Also, last time when I went there, I bought this fried rice. It is so good. So I bought actually two packets. And for breakfast, I also bought the roasted potato that has the peppers as well as the onion. And ice cream, I bought two different ones, chocolate as well as the vanilla. And this one is the Indian style burger. So I thought, why not? We can try it and see how it is. And that one is the head chili mac and cheese. The moment I saw the head chili, I was like, yes, I need to buy that. Now I heard this peri peri sauce is good. I tried, it is okay. It is sour than spicy, so it is okay. Also bought this scallion pancake. I haven't tried this one yet, so when I try it, I'll let you guys know. Again, as I mentioned, I bought two packages of the fried rice. You can also even give this to kids for school lunch. And this pizza just looked so cute, so I thought, let me just get one box for kids. And the main reason I went there is because of this mac and cheese bites. Now, if you have gone to the Cheesecake Factory and if you have tried their mac and cheese, this is exactly like that. I thought I bought two package, but actually accidentally I bought four package. It is so good, guys. So the main reason I went there is because of this mac and cheese ball as well as the ice cream and the fried rice. So that was in my list. But all these other things that you see, yes, it is extra, but it is all worth it. Some of the things the kids already tried, and it is really good. Now the tzatziki, we haven't tried that. I don't know how it is, but the salsa definitely it is a spicy and it is so good. So that's it, guys. That was my grocery haul. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.